One of the ways that, one of the things to look out for attorneys that are representing the contractor is the operators using the right to offset provision as sort of a secondary insurance provision against the contractor's obligations to indemnify the operator for injuries or property damages under the contract. Many operators will attempt to negotiate a right to offset against payments owed to the contractor for any potential personal injuries incurred by the operator's employees or any property damages that they may incur. The thing to remember here is that in addition to the contractor's obligations to indemnify the operators for these types of injuries and damages, oftentimes the contractors are already under a mandatory obligation to insure for these types of injuries and damages. So they've already provided insurance to the operators under the requirements of the agreement. Therefore, there's really no reason for the contractor to provide the operator with an additional indemnity under this provision. So definitely be on the lookout for this type of language and be looking to mitigate those additional risks for your clients. Understandably, the other area that operators are looking to protect against is potential liens or threatened liens against their property. And these are liens that would be imposed by the contractor's subcontractors in order to secure payments from the general contractor that they may not have received. So understandably, an operator would not want a lien on their property based on your non-payment, your client's non-payment to their subcontractors. And in order to protect against this, they will routinely negotiate provisions into the master service agreement that will require the contractor to either post a security bond that the operator can either later go against in order to pay those liens off themselves, or they will negotiate a hold harmless or an indemnity provision under the right to offset provision that will shift the liability for these liens back onto the contractor. The key thing to remember here for those practicing attorneys that are representing the contractor is to make sure that you're not inadvertently waiving your client's rights to file liens against the operator to secure their rights to payment for monies due under this specific MSA that you're contracting or that you're negotiating. That's going to be your client's primary, enforcement tool to ensure that they receive payments for monies due under the MSA. So you don't want to inadvertently give away those rights. So I've included some model language that drafters can model their contracts after to ensure that they're including language in this provision to protect against inadvertently waiving those rights to file liens to secure payments under the MSA. So definitely take a look at that and include it in those provisions.